Welcome back to another exciting series of digital skills in high demand. You can learn today and be successful. My name is Joy.
And I am Bessie. Today we're diving into an exciting area of web development, MERN stack web development.
That's right. In this episode, we'll explore what MERN stack is all about, why it's a powerful choice for building web applications, the benefits of learning this skill, and how you can master it here at Bismarck Technologies.
Now, what is MERN stack? MERN stack is a combination of 4 technologies: MongoDB, React.js, Express.js, and Node.js, and together they provide a powerful framework for building full-stack web applications.
Exactly. MongoDB is a NoSQL database. Express.js is a web application framework for Node.js. React.js is a front-end JavaScript library for building user interface, and Node.js allows you to run JavaScript on the server side.
Importance of MERN stack. MERN stack is significant because it allows developers to use JavaScript for both front-end and back-end, streamlining web development process. The uniformity simplifies coding and improves collaboration amongst developers.
Absolutely. MERN stack is also known for its performance and scalability, making it an excellent choice for building modern web applications that can handle large amounts of data and users.
Benefits of learning MERN stack web development. Learning MERN stack web development empowers you with a comprehensive skill set that covers the entire process of web development. You'll be able to create dynamic and responsive web applications from scratch.
Plus, proficiency in MERN stack is highly sought after by employers, leading to numerous job opportunities and competitive salaries in the tech industry.
How to learn MERN stack web development at Bismarck Technologies. At Bismarck Technologies, we offer a detailed course on MERN stack web development that covers every component of the stack. Our curriculum includes hands-on training on Node.js, React.js, Express.js, and MongoDB.
You will work on real-world projects, allowing you to apply your skills and build a strong portfolio by the end of the course, showcasing your ability to create a full-stack application.
Career opportunities in MERN stack web development. With MERN stack web development skill, you can pursue various career paths, such as full-stack web developer, software engineer, or even a front-end web developer.
The demand for MERN stack developers is increasing, especially as more companies adopt this technology for their web applications.
Opportunities in Nigeria and abroad. In Nigeria, the tech ecosystem is thriving. Many startups and established companies are looking for talented MERN stack developers to help them enhance their web application.
Internationally, MERN stack developers are in high demand, with many companies offering remote work options, allowing you to connect with teams globally and expand your career horizons.
Now, why should someone learn MERN stack web design and development? MERN stack web design and development empowers you with the skills to create robust and efficient web applications. It is a skill that combines both front-end and back-end web development, making you a very versatile developer.
With Bismarck hands-on training, you will gain the confidence and expertise needed to tackle complex projects and excel in the ever-evolving tech landscape. If you're ready to embark on a journey in MERN stack web development, check out Bismarck Technologies training program. This could be your key to becoming a proficient full-stack developer.
Thanks for joining us in today's episode. Remember, each skill we cover in this series is key to unlocking job opportunities in 2025 and beyond.
See you in the next episode.